If making money online is as easy as everyone make it look, everybody will be rich. Every day when you go on social media, you get to see testimonials of how much people are making. You can see $5,000 in 1 week, $20,000 in 10 days, $50,000 under 30 days. So these are some of the things you see about making money online. And sometimes you will see people talk about how much they are making even while they are asleep. But what if I told you the reason people fail online is not because there are no money making opportunity over the internet? It is because of a lie nobody talks about. The lie that makes beginners want to quit, they doubt themselves, and sometimes they overthink this making money over the internet that people are talking all around is not for them. In this video today, I'm going to be exposing this lie to you so that you don't fall into the same trap. Hi everyone, my name is Enemona Onyeki. If you are new here, this is day 2 of my 21 days talking to the camera. Technically, it is supposed to be day 13, but I'll leave that story for another day. So in today's video, we'll be looking at some of the lies that is on the internet when it comes to making money online. When we are talking about making money online, if you have seen some of my previous videos, you know I like to define making money online is like you trying to make money over the internet, right? When you offer a service or you sell a product. And it is the order of the day now. When you go on internet, everywhere you go on internet, there are a lot of money making opportunity over the internet. Name it, from YouTubing, affiliate marketing, e-commerce, freelancing, crypto, in fact AI automation, and the list goes on. These are some of the ways you can make money over the internet, right? But on social media, everyone is winning except you when it comes to making money on the internet. You have bought courses, you've gone through lots of YouTube videos, you attended seminars, you go for workshops, and you are doing everything possible to make sure you are part of the success story when it comes to making money online. But weeks turn into months and nothing changes, and at this point you start hitting yourself hard. You start thinking, maybe I'm not smart enough, or I started it late, or the whole thing doesn't work at all. The truth is that online income works, but when you fail, it's basically down to one thing, and it's because you don't have the full story when it comes to making money in that aspect. And now let me tell you the lie that causes all of this. The biggest lie about making money online, it is that it is fast, easy, and passive from day one. They tell you that you don't need skills, you don't need effort, you don't need patience, that you start making money from the very first day, without telling you that you need to put in the work. Most of the success story about making money online we see over the internet, sometimes we don't get to see the pains, we don't get to see the work, we don't get to see the confusion, we don't get to see the learning that was put into that success that everyone clamor for. Everyone wants to tap into the grace that brought that kind of success, but they don't want to put in the work, right? And sometimes they are not aware that they need to put in the work. So most of the time they'll sell you the speed, right? All you know is the speed to which you can make money on the internet, but you are not aware of the process. The people who are just new to making money online are now disappointed because what they are seeing is not what they were promised. The results they are seeing does not match their expectation. At this point, some of them will begin to think something is wrong with them. Nothing is wrong with you. Online money is real, but the struggle before making it when it comes to making money online is also very real. Making money online is not a rocket science, right? It's something that takes time. It is a process, and you would want to go through it. Making money online is skill based, and you need to master the skill before you can start earning. And when it comes to learning skill, at the very beginning, the skill learning will feel very slow, but it is your consistency and your effort that will now make you break forth in whatever skills that you have chosen. And this is well proven in any aspect of online money making opportunity that you want to talk about. Is it YouTubing? Is it freelancing? Is it digital product selling? Any aspect that you want to talk about, you need to master the skill before the money will start coming. Learning the skill before expecting the money is a key principle when it comes to your success in life and anywhere you find yourself. This principle of learning the skill before you start making the money does not only apply to making money over the internet, right? Everywhere you are, you need to put in the effort before the results. And we can liken this scenario now to someone who go to register in the gym. Whichever your goal of going to that gym is, you don't get to achieve that goal just coming for few nights. You don't get to achieve that goal coming for few days, right? You need to put in the effort daily, and even sometimes down into months you don't get to see that result. And the moment you quit, that result that you are looking for, you don't get to see. If you want to make money online to the extent that is able to give you the lifestyle you desire, you need to stop chasing fast money. All you need to do is to start building confidence. And building confidence comes with doing these three things consistently. Number one, pick a skill, not everything, right? There are a lot of money making opportunity over the internet, but you need to pick a skill and give it time to learn it. Not the one that today you are a graphic designer, tomorrow you are a software developer, the next day you are into fish farming, right? I'm not disputing the fact that okay, you can try to learn other skills, but in your early stage online, where you are trying to get a foothold, where you are trying to see how you can be successful over the internet, you don't need to chase every money making opportunity that comes your way. All you have to do is pick a skill, give it time, learn it, and master that skill. That is all you need. You need focus, and you can never get focus when you are chasing every money making opportunity that comes out. Secondly, practice in public. Try to put yourself out there, whatever it is you are doing. A lot of us have skills that should be giving us money over the internet, but we are not making that money because it's just us and our family members that know we have that skill, right? You need to put yourself out there. That is what your social media platforms are meant for. For instance, if you pick graphic design, make sure you show your progress over time. Make sure you post whatever design you made online. This way you are able to get opportunity to make money from this skill and also get feedback on what you are doing. Are you into content creation? Try to create videos and post it online, whether it is perfect or not, right? We all know you are just starting. We know okay, you cannot gain mastery on your day one, but your consistency in putting whatever you are doing out there is what is going to give you that mastery that you desire. And number three, expect dry season. You are just a beginner, so there is a period where it feels like you are just putting in the work and the result is not coming. It is normal, right? But what will be able to stand you out at the end of the day is your ability to continue and not quit. If you quit, you may never get to see the result. But if you continue, the result, the lifestyle that you desire, you are going to get it at the end of the day by putting that effort and not quitting. Why am I saying this? If you are starting out in the content creation niche, you may post video online and not see a comment, not even your immediate family members. You may not see comment, but you don't have to stop because you are not seeing the comment. All you need to do at this point is to put in the work. Also, as a graphic designer, you can design and post your work and not see comment, right? And a lot of other things that you'll be doing that in the early stage you may not see the result that you want to see. It is normal. This period does not label you as a failure. It is a period of making and a period of planting for you. Some of us find this period very difficult because of the lie that we've been sold to, right? Because we're told it is fast, it is easy, and it does not require any effort from us. All we just have to do, nothing, and the money will start coming in, right? It does not exist anywhere. We have to put in the effort. This lie do not just waste time, it also kills confidence, because at the point where you are not getting that desired result, instead of blaming the lie, you begin to blame yourself, and you even sometimes may decide to quit before the results start coming in. Think about how many times you try some money making opportunity over the internet. When you started watching the videos, you started watching the courses, you were excited about the whole opportunity that is before you, and you stopped when the whole thing became difficult, right? It was not because you were lazy, it was because you were misinformed. Wrong expectations create unnecessary failures. How do you break from this cycle and actually win in the online business? People don't win online because they are special. They win because they stayed long enough to get good results. That is it. There is no secret, there is no hack, there is no trick. That is just what you need to win when it comes to making money online. And if you do the simple practical step I listed earlier, you are good to go. Choose a platform or a skill, learn and apply it daily, and then measure your progress. This way you'll be able to make money when it comes to online. So that is all I have for you in day 2 of our videos. If you learned something from this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, share it with your friends and family, and see you in my next video for day 3. Bye for now.